our day-to-day life?
Sadly, it's a lot. This accident results in injuries, damage to property, and even loss of life.
Right, and if we look to the main reasons of the accident are knowingly and unknowingly.
Knowingly, when the driver drives recklessly or under the influence of alcohol, and unknowingly due to technical failures like brake fails or poor visibility or sudden obstacles which comes under the car.
To reduce this risk, modern cars have come out with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. Features like automatic emergency braking are already presently high-end cars like Mahindra XUV 700, Honda City Hybrid, and MG Aster.
But there is a twist. These cars are starting price of 70 lakhs and above. But the middle class people couldn't afford this. So we have made this project at very low cost so that in every car it can be applied.
And that's where our project comes in. We have developed an accident prevention and alert system through ESP32 microcontroller. It is very low cost and can be fitted to any vehicle, old or new.
What are the uses of this project? Prevents accident due to alcohol and technical failures. Provides real-time alert to their families. Makes safety accessible using low-cost IoT technology.
Let us know how the system works and what it is made of. ESP32 microcontroller is the brain of the system. It processes sensor data, alcohol sensor MQ3, which will be added in the future. IF sensor detects the nearby obstacles and help the car driver to prevent collision. Heat sensor detects sudden impact and indicating a possible accident.
Let's walk through the working of the system. Alcohol detection. As soon as the driver enters the car, the sensor checks for alcohol. If detected, the buzzer goes off and the engine won't start. Obstacle detection. While driving, IR sensors scan the surroundings. If they detect anything too close, the system stops the vehicle immediately. Accident alert. If the car meets an accident, rarely but possible, the tilt sensor detects the impact. Then the GSM module sends an emergency alert to pre-registered contact. Location tracker. In future version, a GPS module will be sent at the exact location of the accident to help responders.
Let us know about the importance of our project. It prevents drunk driving, avoids collision with smart sensors, sends alert that needed to be sent during emergencies, and it is very adaptable and low in cost, which can be fit to any vehicle. It can be used in cars, buses, ambulances, and more.
What is next? Future enhancement has been told that we are going to add some more improvements. That is, we will be integrating an app based on that. All the integration, all the messages will be sent, and the speed in the future enhancement. We are also doing that if the driver exceeds the speed limit, that is about 140 km per hour or 100 km per hour, it also sends the data that warning to the family members automatically. Then future enhancement, that is the we are adding a tilt sensor that is what detect the accident and sends the data to the family members. And in the GSM module also we are adding, that is to make the call. So because SMS, sometimes they would not see the SMS, so that in that by sending the call they would instantly they would see that what is that. This is what future enhancement. You have this complete smart accident prevention system powered by ESP32.
It's low cost, smart, and can save lives. A step forward making our roads safer by the help of technology.
Not just a school level idea. It is designed to work in real vehicles, and in the future it can even support smart city and ambulance systems.
This is